Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. In today's video, I am collaborating with Lisa from Our Gray House. We're going to show you the spaces in our home where we do our crafts or things that we show you here on YouTube. And after a year of working and putting together videos, we thought it was time to kind of reorganize. And so we've got together with some of our friends and we've put together a whole playlist of us getting our spaces kind of revamped and ready for the new year. So today, what I'm working on is a space in my garage where I need to move all of the things that I've been storing up in my house. It's kind of taken over the inside of my house. So I'm using the space outside in my garage for that. So I'm going to show you that. So let's go ahead and let me show you the space. Now I have this entertainment center that we used in our old house, but in our new house, we don't have room for it. And so we put it out in our garage, but it has become it's become a collector. It's where I store a lot of stuff, but I could use it, actually utilize it. But all this is in the way. I need to do something with it. I think I'm gonna sell that. It's a painter, so I need to sell it. But this is where I do a lot of my spray painting. So I need to keep the cardboard, but I think I can just like pick it up and fold it and put it over in a corner. We had a refrigerator here, and that's a whole story. But anyway, that chair, the leg is broke, so we got to throw that out. So it's just a matter of first going through all of this stuff. That chair is broken. That needs to be thrown out. That's going out in the trash. I have several bottles. I'm probably not going to use them, so I'll probably just throw them out. But it's just a matter of first going through this stuff and throwing things away and thinking about what I can put up for sale in my booth. Like I have these barrels here or these buckets here that I can probably sell because I don't ever use them. So why are they just sitting here? So I want this ideally to become my whatnot show, like stage setup. But also I've got the cabinets down here that I can store thrifted items that I'm gonna be doing makeovers. So like my craft supplies can go down here as well as there. But I have my gift bags there now, so that is used. So anyway, that is what I need to go through first. Definitely the first order of business is to put these cardboard pieces away, fold up this table, get it all out of my way so that I can make some sense of this area and just kind of move some of this stuff around to see what I want to do. All right, so I have this empty and I have some of these baskets. And I definitely have some things inside that I need to get out now, out of the house, because my dad is coming. My dad and stepmom are coming for Thanksgiving, and I've got to clear out that room. So I'm gonna I gotta clear that room out. So I'm gonna go get some things from in there, in this basket, to go in that cabinet. This area sort of became a mess when my other son moved back home from Texas. So I just kind of moved everything out of his closet and just put it all in this corner. So this is kind of a mix of the things that I'm going to use for crafting along with items that I've thrifted. I have these 3 items. This one right here is actually like you keep drinks in it. It has a fleur-de-lis on it, but it has a stand with it. I've got to find that stand. But these 2 things, I have not used them maybe ever. So I think I'm going to take them to my booth and sell them in my booth. My thrifting and crafting and my booth stuff and whatnot stuff, it's all kind of taken over the garage. So this space is just the first space that I'm working on, because I eventually do need to tackle the whole garage. But right now I am just trying to get things kind of organized and off the floor. I have this awesome vintage typewriter that I do want it to be seen and off the floor, so I am putting that up there. But now I'm going to start using some of these bins that have just been sitting there empty, some of these little storage totes that have just been sitting there empty, and I'm gonna try to start putting like things together and get this space somewhat organized. I have a lot of little wood pieces that I use for my makeovers and my craft projects. So I'm going to try to keep these all contained to 2 bins, and then I'm going to keep the 2 bins in the little cabinet down below. And I've got these 2 storage pieces, the drawer storage pieces, that I've just started kind of shoving stuff in. So trying to get that organized too while I'm at it, and hopefully get this in some sort of, organization. Now I'm going to start putting things that I have been storing inside. I'm going to start kind of putting it in some sort of planned, I don't know what you want to call it, but I have some art pieces I'm kind of starting to put up in the left side of the shelves, and then utilizing these storage bins. I have them, they've just been sitting there doing nothing. So I do have a lot of material that I have collected and thrifted. So I am using this bigger tote to put that in, and then I'm going to put it on a shelf somewhere where it's going to be easy access that I can get to. So I'm going to keep this out on the shelf because I do use this material a lot, especially I've been making those salt shaker tassels, and I'll put a link to those videos in the description box, but those are fun. So in the bottom of that bag, I did find some more wood pieces, so I'm just trying to put those up. And then I do have some napkins. I love decoupaging with napkins, so I'm going to put all of those together in a smaller container. I don't have too many of those. And then just trying to keep all of my pieces together. All right, here it is at this point. Now that up there is probably going to stay up there. The box of small boxes that was right there is probably going to go up there because I do need to keep those small boxes because we do use those for Christmas gifts. But anyway, this is really cleaned out. It's so much better. So at this point, what I'm going to do is I'm going to set it up, and I've kind of changed since I started this video. I was thinking I was going to use this as my whatnot kind of shop background, and I might still sometimes, but it does get really hot in here, and until we can get some kind of system to keep it cooler, I'm not so sure. But anyway, this is going to be a great place for me to store my thrifted items. So I do have a small little table that I'm probably going to put right there, and that'll give me some more stacking room. So now I'm just going to start bringing stuff out and storing it. I found this little table at an estate sale on a Sunday, and I only paid, actually I think I went on a Monday and got everything 65 or 75% off. But the front cabinet door is just kind of messed up, so I'm really not sure what I'm going to do with this. So that's why I'm using this in this area for storage right now, because I can use it. So now I'm just going to keep putting things taking things from inside the house and putting it out here. I've started filling it in with some of the stash that was inside my house. So while it is not done yet, I am going to continue bringing things out, continue filling these shelves, and hopefully continue selling some of these items on Whatnot and in my vendor booth. I think over here in this area, not probably by the time this video is finished, but I think what I'm gonna do is use this area right here, at least for now. We're gonna eventually get a shelf, but for now, I think I'm gonna put all of my boxes and packing supplies that have been given to me and donated by neighbors and friends. I'm gonna keep those there and try to move everything out from the front part of the garage, so it's kind of contained. So this stuff right here is going to Goodwill, so that's going to be moved out. And I'm just going to continue putting things in here. So down here in the clothes part, that's where I'm keeping most of my craft supplies. And up here is where I'm keeping all of the things that I've thrifted that either have to go to my booth, that are going in Whatnot, but there are a few things that I have, like some of these items right here that I may upcycle at some point. Those buckets right there. Oh, those buckets right there are going to be upcycled because right now they say Merry Christmas. I think I can, they're super cute, so I can use those. I can make those more like year-round kind of things. But I think it's come a long way. Let me know what you think. And yeah, make sure you join me on Whatnot because you might see some of these items in my Whatnot show. I forgot to mention in the beginning of the video that I'm actually at work today and we just ended the day with a great day. So I wanted to, while I'm here, show you around my space here in my vendor booth where we have our shop. It's Birds and Berries Home Store in Gonzales, Louisiana. So if you are local, we'd love to see you. We'd love for you to come visit us and check out our store. But anyway, I wanted to show you around my booth space. So here is my booth space. This is just an overview. I have probably 3/4 of one room. So I just actually brought that piece of furniture in this morning. And right here, I had a rocking chair, but I sold it today. So that was awesome. So I had to move that little guy over. And I have Blind Date with a Book. I don't know if you've ever heard of this, but it's fun. It's just something that a lot of people actually really enjoy. I sold 2 books today. I need to get some more prepared. But you just wrap up the book and the people buy the book. They know the genre and they know a little snippet of kind of what the book may be about, but that's all they know. And then I put a bookmark and some tea in there and that's kind of fun. But anyway, here is everything. I do have some jewelry in my booth now. I've got some earrings here. But this piece of furniture is so beautiful. But yeah, if you are local to the Baton Rouge area, you definitely need to come and check us out. I'm always adding new stuff. I've got some baskets up there, but I'm always adding new things to my booth. So, and a lot of what I do on my YouTube channel here, I bring to my booth and put it in there, put it in here for sale. You might recognize some things, but I have sold quite a bit lately, so there's not quite as much as what I normally have. But this is the last little corner, and I just think that I try to offer a good variety for everybody. Look at this rooster. He's so cute. So anyway, there's 2 candlesticks that I did on a YouTube video. I have the 3rd one down here. But anyway, there's a little ballerina that I did in my last video. And the other 2 items actually sold. And there's a couple of things that I've done in videos. So anyway, this is my booth. Let me know what you think. And of course, I do want to share a Bible verse with you before we close. And this comes from Psalms chapter 103, verse 2. And it says, "Let all that I am praise the Lord. May I never forget the good things that He does for me." I have to say, I am so blessed, and I know where my blessings come from. They come from God, for sure. I certainly hope that this verse blesses you in some way today. I am so thankful that you took the time to just spend a little time with me and watch me as I organize everything. And it's not done yet. I feel like it's always going to kind of be a work in progress, but I appreciate you spending your time with me. Let me know what you think about it so far. I want to thank so much Lisa for asking me to do this collaboration with her. It was just the motivation that I needed to get this space done. So thank you so much to her. Make sure that you go check out her channel. Make sure you subscribe to her channel. You will love her. She's so sweet and so super talented. But also make sure that you check out the playlist and see what the others are doing to get their spaces organized. All of that information is going to be in the description box. I'm going to have the Whatnot, where I have my Whatnot shop, I'm going to have that link in the description box. I try to have 2 shows a week, 1 to 2 shows a week for sure. But I would love for you to check that out. But if you're new to my channel and this is your first time here, thank you so much for coming by. I would love it if you would be a part of my YouTube family. If you like thrift hauls, home decor, thrift makeovers, then this is where I would think that you need to be. So go ahead and click that subscribe button and click the bell button so you're notified when I upload new videos. And everybody, if you want to see more videos like this, then go ahead and check out the boxes that you see on the screen right now, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.